Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Korblox. Korblox is one of the most iconic and sought-after avatar bundles on Roblox, known for its distinctive skeletal design. Its rarity and high price point make it a symbol of prestige for many players. Understanding the legitimate ways to acquire this item is crucial, as there are many misconceptions. We will guide you through the official process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision about this premium item. The most straightforward and only official way to get Korblox is by purchasing it directly from the Roblox avatar shop. This premium bundle is usually listed for a substantial amount of Robux, reflecting its exclusive nature. It is important to note that Korblox is not given away for free, nor can it be earned through in-game activities or promotions. Always ensure you are on the official Roblox platform when considering any purchase to avoid scams and ensure a secure transaction. Understanding the financial investment required for Korblox is key. This bundle typically costs around 170,000 Robux. To put that into perspective, this amount of Robux can translate to approximately 2,000 US dollars, depending on the specific Robux packages you purchase. This significant price point underscores Korblox's status as a luxury item, making it a major acquisition for any Roblox player. Be prepared for this investment if you truly desire this iconic bundle. When seeking to acquire Korblox, prioritizing safety is paramount. Always make your purchase directly through the official Roblox avatar shop. Be highly skeptical of any third-party websites, videos, or individuals claiming to offer Korblox for free, at a reduced price, or through unofficial means. These are almost always scams designed to steal your account information or money. Remember, there are no legitimate hacks or generators for Korblox. Protect your account by only using official channels and never sharing your password.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.